Ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to this YouTube channel. Samuel Adela Music here again. And today I'm going to be teaching you a nice 2-5-1 progression that you're going to be using to spice up your playing, you understand? So let's just dive right to it. Let me show you what to do. So you've got this movement. So 2, 5, 1. Again. 2, 5, 1. I don't know if you get me. So let's dive right into what I was doing. I'm doing that in the key of F sharp. And on the key of F sharp, your 2 is your A flat. Remember, your 2 is your A flat. Again, your 2 is your A flat. So you tap the 2, which is your A flat, and then you play this B major 7th chord. Where you have your B, you've got your B, you see? So, but then using a third inversion, you got this chord. So you've got on your left hand, you're playing your F sharp, your B flat, your your B flat, your B, your E flat, and then on your right hand, you're doubling it, which is your B flat, your B, your E flat, and your F sharp for the 2. Again. And then for the 5. Woo! So this is an F diminished major 7th chord, coupled with a C sharp major chord. So, and then on the 1, we are doing a F sharp major chord to an A flat major chord. Ooh, so 5. Sounds good, right? Sounds good. So each time you are faced with your 2-5-1 progression, say you're singing a song, you are bigger than what people say. Jehovah, you are bigger than what people say. You are bigger than what people say. Jehovah, you're bigger than what people say. Then to the 2, you are bigger than what people say. Some say you are good. You are bigger than what? 5 to the 1. So B flat major 7th chord, an F major 7th chord coupled with your C sharp major chord, and then a drop chord. I'm just inverting. There's the first chord, and then the second chord is your A flat major chord. I hope this helps. I hope it's a very simple one. Very, very simple. Very simple. Very, very simple. If you don't get it, let me do it one more time. 2, on the key of F sharp. From the left, always remember that it's all about placement. Placement is key when you're doing this kind of chords. Placement is key. And one thing I also want you to understand is you don't use this every time. You must make sure that this also rhymes with your melody note, which we'll be discussing in another class. So let's have it again. 2, 5, 1. Again. 2. From left to the right, you've got your F sharp, B flat, B, E flat, and then on your right hand, B flat, B, E flat, F sharp, and then, wow, and then, I would actually want us to use this in a song. Okay, so we've got the song. Let's use the song titled You Are God from Beginning to the End. So let's use the song to demonstrate. So, you are God from beginning to the end. Yourself, turn around. 3, 6, 2, 5. You are God. There's no place for argument. You got God all by yourself. 3, 6, 2, 5. You see, easy does it. Easy does it. You don't have to do too much. You don't have to even do too much at all. At all. At all. So I hope to see you in the next one. Another 2-5-1 progressions. Will be doing multiple chord voicings very soon. And yeah, see you in the next one. Love you.